In this video, I'm going over what's new in Harley-Davidson's 2022 carryover lineup. Also, I'm going to quickly talk about their latest teaser in the end. Hey, I'm Lavatronn, and on this channel you can find quick motorcycle how-tos, product reviews, and sometimes I talk about the latest motorcycles. Be sure to subscribe for more. Let's go. So let's start with the updates for the more classic cruiser models. The Street Bob 114, Harley stripped down bobber, gets 4 new colorways, and those aluminum cast wheels. Same goes for the Softail, which is just available in Vivid Black for 2022. The Fat Bob is getting a new Harley graphic on the tank and is available in 2 colors. Next, the Harley Fat Boys military-inspired logo gets an update. The Spikes classic wheels also get a new 11-spoke design. Finally, Harley's Truly American Cruiser, the Heritage Classic, is now available in many colors, some featuring either a chrome finish or a modern blacked out finish on key parts like the engine and exhaust pipes. Moving on, let's talk those famous Harley Tourers. With the Milwaukee Eight 107 engine still powering the standard models and the Milwaukee Eight 114 powering the special or limited models for 2022, this lineup sees an update on colors. The popular Road King and Road King Special come in 3 colors, the Road Glide sees 3 colors, with the Special getting 10 new colors, the Street Glide gets 3 colors, and the Street Glide Special gets 10. Finally, the Road Glide Limited is available in 6 colors. Be sure to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Next up, let's talk those new Harley models. For 2022, the Pan America receives a TFT dash with a bigger font for better legibility as requested from their customer. The Pan Am Special is receiving a new colorway called Fastback Blue and White Sand. Also, the relatively new Sportster S is just getting a new color option called Mineral Green Metallic. Alright, so Harley did recently drop a quick teaser for their upcoming January 26th event, and in this teaser, they give us nice, sleek close-ups of what to me possibly seems like a new performance tourer or possibly a base model for the Sportster S. Let me know what your thoughts are on the teaser. So which is your favorite Harley in the 2022 lineup? Sound off in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, ride safe and see you next time.